Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to play the Queen's Gambit. It's one of the best openings for white. It's going to give you a really nice balanced position. Most of the times it's going to leave you with the initiative. So I'm not going to go in depth, I'm just going to show you all the basic moves and ideas, but I've left an article in the description down below so you can check it out to go a bit more deep down into the theory if you want, but I know most of you just want to start playing. So the Queen's Gambit is reached after the move d4, your opponent plays d5, and now the move is c4. After c4 there are three types of responses. That's the Slav defense, that's the Queen's Gambit declined, and now we're going to look at the Queen's Gambit accepted. If black accepts the Gambit, that's not losing for black, but he has to be accurate, because if he tries to defend this pawn from the bishop, it's gonna leave him with an unpleasant position, because you can undermine this pawn right at the beginning with the move a4. If black tries to defend it with a6, that's a mistake because of this, and black can't take back because the rook is hanging. But let's say black tries to defend it by playing c6, take, and after taking back, play knight to c3, and that just leaves you with a nice position where you have the lead in development. Now, after the Gambit is accepted and you play e4, your opponent might try to play something like this, and that's just a normal position, but here you can attack the knight, play a move like bishop to g5, and just leaves you with a nice position, taking back this pawn, and that's just a versatile opening that you can play all the time. Now, let's say your opponent does not accept the Gambit, but either plays the Queen's Gambit declined. Now, I would not take the pawn because that just leaves black with many options. You can play moves like knight to f3 and just wait to be taken. If you're taken, again, play the same idea. Now, let's say you play something like this. That's just a normal development, and if black short castles, you can play queen to c2. That's an idea that you're not gonna reach every time, but after the move h6, if black plays h6, you don't have to move your bishop, you can just play h4. The idea is if takes and takes back, that's checkmate, and the only piece that's protecting it is the knight. So if the knight moves somewhere, of course, now that's the same threat and you're basically winning in this position. So black can mess it up in a lot of ways. Now after d5 and c4, you can see that's the Slav defense. After the Slav defense, you can play again moves like knight to f3 and just reach a similar position where black, for example, takes the pawn. The threat is the same here. If black knows what he's doing, that's just going to leave you with a balanced position. You're not going to be losing in the opening, which is quite a lot for some people, but that's the whole idea of the Queen's Gambit. It just leaves you with a nice position. So if you appreciate this video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and see you in the next one.